gosh, that's quite a story. You're making me laugh. I'm crying, I'm laughing so much. Really? You sound so cute. You're so chatty. You're so chatty. Yes. Why are you so chatty? What? Are you going to tell me another story? Huh? You're going to tell me another story? Are you all talked out? Are you going to tell me about your outfit? What are you wearing today? Such a bunny you're grabbing? What? Are you all done?
Baby.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Is that your puppy? That pug's being crazy. Do you want to say hi? Do you have so much to say?
Ooh.
Is that a poop face? She's staring. What? What?
What, baby?
Are you going to talk some more? Hmm? Huh? Now you're going to be quiet and be a baby, and then nobody's going to know that you just talked all that time. Yeah? Are you thinking about what else you're going to say? Hmm? I can't believe she went from being so chatty to now she's like, I don't talk. What are you talking about?